So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Maiti, and today I unbox a very popular product. Actually, this product comes from Flipkart, as you can see there. Actually, today I unbox a laptop sleeve. Laptop sleeve, that means is a small type of laptop holder, and it protects your laptop from scratches or any other dirty things. So no more talk. When I unpack this, you have a clear idea that what I want to say. So okay, just unpack it. So actually, this is a 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, which I order it from Flipkart, which I ordered it from my Lenovo IdeaPad 510. So as you can see here, this is the price of this laptop sleeve is 270, but along with the external delivery charges, it comes in 330 Indian rupees. So okay, let's filled with laptop in this sleeve, then tested it is fitted or not. So okay, actually in this price range I think this is the best sleeve. So actually the sleeve is I filled here friends, this is a premium quality. So as you can see here, this is so much soft, this is so much okay. So okay, this is Lenovo IdeaPad 510. So okay, so actually I hold the camera from one hand, so this is a very big problem. So okay, so just so as you can see that uh, this is perfectly fitted, my laptop is perfectly fitted into that. So actually the benefit of the sleeve is the edges of the laptop. If you carry your laptop in a train or bus, so actually the train or bus is very congested, so this is a high amount of pressure in your bag, so there is a chances that your corner of the laptop is might be molded or any other scratches coming here. So this laptop protect you from those type of accident or any other scratch related accidents. So okay, after that you can put it from here, okay, and put it from here. So okay, as you can see that this is the laptop is beautifully fitted. So okay, and as you can see that the build quality of the product is awesome. So okay friend, I gave a description of this product link. I think this product is also available in Amazon, so I give a link on that in the description. Check this, feel free to buy. I think in this price range this is the best laptop sleeve available in the market. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe along with your friends.